Hi guys. Okay, we have actually started cycling from Marina Bay Sands, and now we reached East Coast, and we are at the Hong Kong Tea House having dinner. And I've ordered the little small wok noodles, and Fanny ordered the what's this?
Bihun.
Bihun. Okay, with cockles. Looks good, yeah. Okay, then after this we're gonna cycle down to Bedok to the new stretch of PCN, and today's weather is good and not many people, not crowded here. So see you guys. Bye. Yeah, hi guys, again we are now at East Coast Park, Car Park G. Going into the underpass. On the opposite side is the Bedok camp, right? Okay, so yeah, and we're going to explore the new PCN at Bedok. Okay. Oh, this is quite steep downslope. Normally we will slow down here just in case there are pedestrians. Yep. It's eve of public holiday. Tomorrow is Good Friday, so lots of cyclists out tonight. Probably cycle after work, or it's a very nice weather this evening. Cooling, no rain. Just wish that whole year round is like this. Okay, going up slow. Okay. So on our right hand side is the Bedok camp.
The golf course.
Oh.
So once at the end of this
Right.
this thing, right?
Yep.
Then it will be Bedok camp.
Okay. So now we're on this PCN that is leading to Bedok camp. I'm using the Razer Siren BT microphone, Bluetooth microphone. Testing out also the first time for this ride. Hope it sounds good. Hope it's clear. Ew, there's a rat that just ran across the path. Okay, I'm gonna go behind my friend because there's some cyclists in front coming. So normally I'll try to keep a safe distance and also keep left. Yep. Oh, now this is the right hand side is Bedok camp. Right hand side is Bedok camp, yeah? Okay. The Bedok is the army camp, right?
Right.
Not the Air Force or Navy, right? Okay. Not Air Force, not Navy.
Not fancy there.
Oh, looks like there's a fleet of cyclists in front, so I'm going to keep left again.
Ready? Hold on.
So we are at the junction of Eastwood Road. I remember we need to turn right. Yep. There's a sign here. Okay, this way to PCN. Okay, so we are on the right route, guys. Alright, let's go. Same map. It's the same one as we saw in front. Same one as we saw there. So I think it's there. I think it's there. Okay. Yeah, go by the side. It's okay. There's a playground, I remember. Oh, this is the main road already. Huh. Yeah, I think so eh. Okay, so we have to go back in. Okay. We have to go back in again. I remember we have to enter into a playground. Yeah. Okay guys, so just now we went on a I think we overshot, so we are now going backwards to look for the PCN. So, and I think I know where it might be starting at. Okay, aeroplane just fly past me. Straight to the end should be it. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, going from here, Eastwood Park Playground. Yep. So No, in here. Here. Yep. Okay. So the PCN starts from here. Let's check it out. Yeah, there. Yeah, now we know. Okay. So guys, look out for the Eastwood Park Playground, okay? If you're coming from the East Coast, ECP. Oh, look at that. And it's brightly lit. So, as you can see, it's quite brightly lit up at night. And it's a very nice stretch to cycle here. So before this stretch was open, usually we will go via the TMCR, which is the Tanah Merah Coastal Route, right? So this is another alternative route to a shorter one that leads you to Bedok, right? And Bedok Reservoir, right? Yep. So Bedok Reservoir. Here from here. I think can, right? Not really, huh? But to Bedok actually. I think it's to Bedok, yeah. So this is the, yeah, there are a lot of pet owners here because of private homes on the left side. But it's really nice to cycle here in the evening as well. So you must look out for the Eastwood Park Playground to enter the PCN. One thing I really appreciate about our Singapore is quite safe to ride at night outside, especially for females. I really appreciate this part lah. And also our government put a lot of effort to make sure that the roads are well lit. You know, no overly dark areas. Yeah. We are halfway through the new stretch of PCN. Yeah. This stretch here, the houses are not cheap too. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Oh, I mean simple and nice, right? Yep. But I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh, bicycle coming, right? The Bedok MRT. Oh, is it? Bedok! Where is Bedok? Huh? Oh. We're very near to Singapore Expo also. Yep. Just now, why? Okay, so we reached the end of the new PCN. Okay, now we are at, just came out and let's see where we are. Oh gosh, steep. Okay.